All right, we're live now. Just to explain for anybody that's watching the video, right, and watching it recorded later on. Callis has said at a meeting today that she has Microsoft Live Mail, correct?
Yes. No, Windows Live Mail.
Windows Live Mail. Sorry, I called it Microsoft. Windows Live Mail. And when Windows Live Mail, she's been having ongoing problems where individual mail messages disappear, and also in addition to that, individual folders disappear. Is that correct?
Yes, the whole lot.
Okay, all right then. And what, the whole lot of them disappear, or just some?
No, that's 6 altogether.
6 what?
Folders.
6 folders have disappeared at various times.
Yes.
Right, but there are some that haven't disappeared. Is that correct?
Oh yeah, plenty of rubbish that hasn't disappeared, but really important things I wanted have disappeared, and some of them have disappeared 3 times. I've made them up again and started over, and it's gone again.
Okay, so can you just switch to? Is it okay for you to switch to Windows Live Mail now and have a look at the ones that have disappeared?
Just a second. Now put this over.
Well, we can't see the ones that disappeared, where they disappeared from. Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
You see down the side here.
Okay. Listen, by the way, your voice is breaking up. I think it's the microphone. I thought it was the connection, but I know Diane's voice is nice and clear, so I don't know. Your microphone seems to be playing up a little bit. I don't know why, but anyway. Yours
is coming and going too.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, then we'll see how we go. All right. So that's when I'll just make that full screen on my screen. So Chris and Diane, here it is. Okay, so there we are. So you've got, give me an example of where some of them you had them in the past. So you've got storage folders on the left-hand side there.
Yeah, all down here.
And you've got draft.
Business. That's the second one I put on. That one, England, that's the third one I put on.
Okay, all right. So you're saying whatever you've put things in, you've created a folder called both business and.
I can't see anything. I can't see. You're not sharing with me.
If you look down the bottom of the screen where it says Rosemary.
Right.
Okay. Diane.
Yeah.
If you click on, there's a little screen, that's Rosemary's sharing. I'm not sharing.
Okay.
So if you click on Rosemary's thing, that'll come up full screen and you'll see Rosemary's screen.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so you can see where it says storage folders and stuff like that. So the one you've said you had previously had one called business and it suddenly disappeared, and now you've got another one called business. Okay. So if you go into business, does it show other emails in there at the moment, or is there nothing in there?
Some new ones. Here we go. Some new ones that I put in the last couple of days. That's all.
Okay. All right. All right. Just as a matter of interest, how do you get them from the inbox into, for example, business? How have you been doing that?
Right click.
Explain how.
Right click on the email.
On the one. On the email, yeah.
Yes. Right. And
for example, can we just on the unread mail, that one, I notice you've got one for Jeff, Gazza and Ron down the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, Gazza, is that me, Jeff, or another Jeff?
No, that's you. That's all.
That's me. All right. All right. So if you go up to your email, your inbox, up there. Okay, go up to your inbox.
Yeah.
2 emails there. So there's one there from me. Go to that bottom one, least one. Click on that. So how would you? So you right click and then you go to move to folder, okay, and then you're going to what?
And then up comes a load of. Shall I do it?
Yeah, do it. You don't hurt.
There's storage hub folder. Up. And then there you are. I click on that.
Click on that.
And then I click on OK.
Okay. All right. So when you do that, it should disappear from there, which it has. Now, if we go down to where it says Jeff, Gaz, and Ron, it should be in there, which it is. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay then. All right. So what you're doing there is quite right. That's not a problem. That's not okay. So but then all of a sudden they disappear. Okay, just have a let's just have another look to make sure that they haven't been inadvertently put in a deleted folder or something like that. Now, notice on the on where you've got that you've got the slider there. Can you grab the slider and drag it down to see? It should show deleted ones or something like that.
Yeah, there is a. Where is it? There.
Odd bits and pieces. Deleted items are there. Okay, but go right to the bottom. I just want to see if there's nothing else there.
No, only trip.
Right. Just trip. Okay. So go up to where it says go up to the top and show where the deleted items are. And inadvertently got to there.
That's that one. Click it.
Yep.
That's some old ones. That's some old ones that I deleted.
There's no folders there, is there? Okay.
No.
All right. Okay. Just a matter of interest. Let's just for the interest's sake, just so we can check this to see why this is happening. What I want to do is create a new folder, right? We'll call it test, right? I want to copy one of my emails that I just sent you, which doesn't really matter, doesn't it? Right? And then see if we can how you go about deleting a folder and see what happens where you delete it. So go into new. What are you going to do?
I'll click on new.
Yeah.
Folder. Here we go. And I'll name it Jeff.
Yep. Okay. Click on OK.
Now where is that gone?
All right.
There it is.
Well,
there.
you'll notice it's gone. How have you noticed something about it?
Yeah, you didn't press
strictly
OK.
underneath deleted items. Say again, Diane.
I thought you didn't press OK.
I press enter.
No, she did press OK, and notice it's there. You press enter. That's okay. And it's got Jeff and strictly underneath deleted items. I don't know why it's gone to there. I think
it should have gone down to G.
Slide up to the top. Slide up to the top.
Inbox.
Okay. Go to the inbox. Yeah.
Yep.
Grab one of my ones. That second one from the bottom. That'll do. You've already read that.
The one for pets. Hang on, it's up the top. I right click there.
No, don't do the pet one. Do my one that says Jeff because it says Jeff. Cancel that. Go to where it says that one. Okay.
Yep.
And move to folder.
Yep.
Okay.
Jeff, highlight that.
Jeff.
Okay.
Yeah. It's deleted from there and goes to there. Okay. All right.
I go to Jeff. There it is there.
There it is. Okay. So that's working all right. So how would we delete the folder? So I'd imagine you would be on the folder. So go into the folder Jeff, what that one is. Right click on that.
Yep. Open. Now if I did, now will I need your link at all anymore?
Name, sorry? Oh, that's the one with the hangout on it. Oh yeah, damn. It wasn't a good one to delete. Okay. Won't delete that one then. Okay, damn. All right. Can we move? Okay. Move that one back to the inbox, and we'll just do another one because I don't want to. Won't be able to get back in. Yeah. All right.
Hang on a minute.
Okay.
So that. How do I get that back to the inbox?
Move to folder, the inbox.
I put it move to folder.
Put it into the inbox. Should be able to move it back to the inbox. That's right. Good. Okay. So there's no messages in there. Okay. Just for the hell of it, it's not going to make any difference if we've got emails in or not. We'll just see if we can delete. Don't have to put anything in it. We'll just see if we can delete that folder, Jeff. Now.
Yes. All right then.
Right click. Delete.
Yeah. Right click. Click delete. You really want to do it? Yeah. There it is. Gone.
And you've never done that on those other ones that got deleted, obviously.
No, I haven't. I haven't.
The only other thing I can think of, Chris, is that somehow, just a matter of interest, we'll create another one called Jeff again. Create another folder called Jeff. Go up to File, New, Jeff. New folder, sorry, Jeff. Okay, click on OK. Jeff's gone there. Okay, what I want you to do now, right? You see we've got the folder Jeff.
That's right. Yeah.
The new one you've just created.
Yeah.
Down below that, you've got Jeff, Gazza, Jeff, and Ron. I want to see if you can grab that. No, go back to the one called Jeff up the top. See if you can grab that and drag it down into Jeff. Grab the thing. Just if it will move when you draw it down.
Won't do it.
No, it won't do it.
Oh.
Okay. Well, I thought that might have happened because it is working. Not FAS, that one there.
No, it's still there. It didn't go. No, it's still there. It won't go.
Okay. Just a matter of interest, click on drafts below that. Now click on Jeff and drag it down into Jeff, Gary, and Ron.
Oh.
Gazza, Jeff, and Ron.
Yeah. Won't go.
Although the way I don't know if it's just the way I'm seeing this, but you seem to be letting go before you get there.
Well, the thing is, I'm trying to get it in the middle because the arrow's above it and the box is below it. I could try again some other way if you like. Now, it starts off with not wanting to go. You know what I mean? It's got that cross through it. Never mind, we'll keep on going. There. Nope.
No, still won't do it. Okay. Okay, I just thought you would, because I was thinking if you could do that, it could be that the ones that you've been deleting are either. Okay.
I've been through every single one, opened them right up, and looked at everything. Look at this one.
All right. Okay, okay. Right, close the email. Close it. Hold on, just before we do that.
Yeah.
Click up on File up the top and see what it says. I'm looking for something. Click on File.
Yeah.
Okay, work offline. Save as attachment, save as stationary folder. Go down to where it says Folder. File folder. No, on File folder.
Folder, yeah.
Create new folder, more, rename, delete. No, that does not want to do. I want to look to see where it says it's actually. Go to Tools. It might be under Tools. I want to see where actually it's telling me it's going to be saving all this information. Go down to Options. Go to Options. Okay. Okay. So what have we got? General, Receipts, Send, Compose, Advanced, Connection. Try Advanced tab at the top. That one, that's it. IMAP. Settings, IMAP.
Yeah.
Deleted file, IMAP's count using. Message. Hold on. Are you using IMAP?
Well, I don't know.
Okay. If you're, I was under the impression there's two types of mail systems. One's called IMAP, and the other one is called
WAP or something, isn't it?
Now, just to explain, I think Mark was explaining to just before we left today the difference between the two.
It's sort of. He said there was anyway. I couldn't understand it, but still.
Okay. If you're using IMAP, which I think you are, just go into General, will you? Oh, Connection. Go to Connection. Connection.
Yeah.
If you're using IMAP, just explain how this happens, right? If you're using IMAP, even though you're looking at the messages here, they're not actually stored on your computer. They're stored on, in this particular case, the Optus computer, right? And if you have a limited capacity for storing mail, and they delete the mail on the server, it's also going to delete it on your computer.
Yeah, the thing is,
showing up on your computer.
I seem to get the mails all right. It's just when I put them on those folders, there you go.
Yes, I know. But the thing I need to explain, which is, I think, what's actually happening is because it's set up as IMAP. As I said, you appear to be having the mail on your computer, but actual fact, there's just copies of it. There's just to get to the mail, right? And when
Yes.
each time you connect up to the email, it synchronizes with the thing and shows you what's there. Now, I'm suggesting that if you're using Optus Mail, there's a limit to how many minutes mail you can have.
Yeah.
And what they're doing is they start to delete the old ones. Start to delete, it deletes them on the Optus computer, and it means it's also deleting it on, therefore, when you connect to it, it's also deleting it on your computer.
Yeah, I see. But the thing is, you know the deleted part.
What you want to happen, is it?
No, but you know that I don't, how can I explain? When I get them in, I delete them as I go when I don't want them.
It's only the ones that you want to keep. That
Yes.
may be the case, but I'm saying they may also have some sort of procedure set up with Optus whereby it's deleting the messages on the server, and each time you connect up, it synchronizes the server with what's on your thing, and it deletes it from there as well.
Oh,
That's
right.
why they're disappearing. That's
So
why they're disappearing.
What happens if we take that IMAP off then?
Well, you can't take IMAP off. You've got to change from IMAP to what's called POP, right?
Yeah.
And that means what it does then is it, rather than you just synchronizing with the server, it actually downloads it from your email to the server. Now, I don't use IMAP, so I don't know a lot about it, but I'm thinking that's possibly what could be the problem.
Right.
All right. Okay, so it's got nothing to do with your computer at all. It's got everything to do with what happens at Optus. Listen, do you know how to log directly into the email on the Optus via Optus on their website?
How to log? No, I don't know.
Okay.
How to log directly into my emails?
Okay. Well, let's have a look at it. Can we just go back to the general tab there again before you close that? Just go back to the general tab.
Wait,
no, general's the leftmost one. Notify. Okay. Just go to connection again then. Connection tab.
Yep.
And I'll just make this a bit bigger. Hold on. A bit hard for me to see at the moment. I'll make it a bit bigger so I can see. A bit bigger. Okay. Connection. Ask before deleting thing. No, advanced we're looking at before. Wasn't go to advanced.
Yep.
IMAP. Use the deleted items folder for IMAP accounts.
What would happen if she unticked that?
I don't know. Reply forward. Mark messages threads. I start as watched. Use the deleted items folder for IMAP accounts. But I don't know if you've got an IMAP server or what. Okay. Spelling, connection, signatures, compose, receipts, read. Not a lot in it. Click maintenance for advanced settings on the storage of messages. Click on maintenance there. Rosemary? Empty messages from deleted items folder. Purge deleted message folder. Compact the database on shutdown every year. Okay, I don't understand that. Click clean up now. Well, that's the only thing I can think of. I don't know what that message with IMAP means. So that, as I said, I don't use IMAP, but I have to correspond with ring Gary and speak with him because he uses IMAP. I know. So I'm just wondering what's happening. Okay, close. Okay, close those dialogues and close the mail program, Windows Live Mail, and we'll get you to go into. So open up the Chrome down the bottom. No, Chrome down the bottom for the time being. Okay, click on the left one, that'll do. Okay. Okay, so that's all your settings in Gmail. All right. Open up another new tab. You've got a new tab up there. You can click on new tab or open up a new tab, doesn't matter. Okay. And just go to Optus. I don't know, it's www.optus. Just type in Optus. No, up on the address bar up the top.
Oh, there.
I think it's www.optus. on Optus.com, is it? Don't know. Optus.com.au.
Internet.
And I'll try that, so that works. There's Optus. Okay. Okay. Click on log in. Do you know your password to your email and your username and password?
No. Log in there.
You don't?
I can't remember it.
Okay. So you don't remember, you've got it written down somewhere?
Yeah. But the last time I tried to use it, it didn't work.
Okay, click on webmail. Anyway, you need to click on webmail there to go into that. And that's where security standard. Yeah, that's where you put in your username and password to get to your webmail.
So I'll just try that. Username
is your email address.
Yeah. RCAJ.
Yeah, it's already there. You can just click on it at the bottom.
Yeah.
Below that.
Yeah.
It's already there. And your password, just key in your password there.
It didn't work. GRN3.
Now take that. You're keying it into the on that part of it. You need to press the tab. Click on the next thing. You've got to delete that out where you got the .com. No. Keyed in the password to where you've typed in your email address. You need to go back. Click on the one to the left of that, the box to the left of that.
Yeah, hang on. I'll just get rid of that.
You've told us your password. Take that out. Yeah. Okay. Now click on the password box.
Right.
Now type in your password there. Okay. Try logging in now of that.
Wait a minute.
Click on the login button.
Yeah, I'm not quite finished. Hang on.
Okay. Sorry.
Right. The last time I tried to use this, it wouldn't work. Login failure never.
Okay, you can't remember what your password is.
Well, this is what I've got down here. I don't know anything else.
Okay. It's very, very important that you write down your passwords and keep them because
I've got it written down, but I don't know why it won't.
And that's what you keyed in. That's what you just keyed in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
The username and password is incorrect. It said so.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it says username or password. The username is right, just the password.
Yes.
Looks like it doesn't say how to retrieve your password.
Well, I'll try again on here. I'll just see if I put the part.
You can click that. That's
right. Now let's try.
Right.
Why didn't they give her an opportunity to redo her password?
I don't know. I don't know what you do in that case. Usually there's unless that's behind or it says stop sharing or hide there. It might be further down the screen. Just scroll down further on that page, Rosemary, and see if it doesn't say anything about retrieving. See where it says stop sharing and hide. Click on that hide button if you would. Look where it says hide. Hide. No, hide. Not that. There. No, I thought there might be something behind that. No, there isn't. Okay. Oh, don't know. Perhaps you've got to ring up Optus and ask them. All right.
Well, that takes about a fortnight, doesn't it?
Yeah. One more time. Okay. All right then.
That's the absolute best I can do.
Okay. All right.
What about going to support? There may be something in there to help her get a new password.
No, it still won't accept it. What have I got? I got a thing here. What do I do with that? Can I do something with that? Gummy.
Okay, so what's below that? Okay, load new image. Okay,
Now,
just scroll down a little bit more below that. What's below that?
Go to
Disabled
disable
access.
view, user guide, FAQ.
Okay, no, listen, don't worry about that. All right, we won't worry about that. So what we'll have to do now is just get to the stage of setting up your Gmail account, right? You're already past that. You can close that tab, that whole Optus tab, just the Optus tab, not the whole screen. No, not the screen.
Right.
Over to the Optus, the one that says Optus Mail. Webmail. Okay. Go back. Okay.
Is there
all right. So what we can do now, the only thing we can do now is you've got your settings for. Click on the one that's got the M there up the top, the tab, because we're already in that before Diane came in. We were looking at your settings for.
Oh, where am I there?
Up there. That's right. Okay. All right. Okay. So what do we what we're just talking about how you want to do things there. Okay.
Is there any way we can retrieve those files, or is it easier to go through Optus?
I'm dropping out now. Sorry.
Okay, Diane.
Okay, you go. I'll talk, Diane. I'll ring you later on tonight. Is that all right? Okay, doesn't matter. All right. All right. I'll Okay. So the only thing I can think of is that yeah, we can have a look at that if you want to. So if you go down to where your file manager is, the yellow tag, that one there.
I got as far as one.
Okay, you're in the one that's called Chris. Okay. Now up the top where it says up the top where it's got the tab's got file, home, share, and view. Go up to the view one.
Oh no.
Up the top, file, home, share, and view. A little bit higher again, higher up again.
File. What do you want?
Click on view. That's it. Okay.
Yep.
Now notice on the towards the right hand side it says hidden items. The third checkbox down. Tick that. Okay. Now we're in. That's why you couldn't get on beyond where you were before. Okay.
I got the view.
Okay. All right. So let's have a look. What do we got there? We've got give contact app data. So you need to click on the one that says app data.
Yeah. Can you see it?
It's that one there. That's it. Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, there.
Up a little bit higher.
Yep.
There. Double click there. Yep. Okay, you need to go into local.
Local.
Double click on local. Okay. Now, what are we looking for? Microst. Looks like we've got to play the Microsoft Corporation, I think.
You want that one?
And there's Microsoft and Microsoft Corporation, and I'm also Microsoft Health. Okay. Windows 7 Update Advisor. That's not what we want. Okay. So you need to go back one. So go back
to local.
One. Yeah, to local. No, to Microsoft Corporation. Yeah, that'll do. So it might be Microsoft, the one that just says Microsoft. Go to that one.
Right.
Okay. Wow.
Windows Live.
Go down to see if you can find Windows Live Mail. Go down to, you have to scroll down, it's further down.
Windows Mail.
There we are, Windows Live Mail. There's Windows Mail and Windows Live Mail.
Yep.
Double click on Windows Live Mail. Okay. So you've got backup, calendars, compact, Microsoft Unity's proof, account. Okay. So, outbox proof, calendars. Okay, it's got mail, store, window, and you've got Windows Live Mail. Okay, none of them are particularly big. All right, and none of them have got other folders in it. Okay, we got one called Inbox. No, that's the bottom of the list. So that looks like where the emails are actually being stored. Just let's have a look at the dates on it. So what's today's date? It's the 13th of September. So the ones that are marked 13th of September were used today, right? Okay, backup. Matter of interest, go up to the one up the top that says backups. The first one. Double click on that.
Open.
New. Go and open that one.
Yeah, go into new now.
No, nothing there. Okay. Go up to, click back on Windows Live Mail. No, the Live Mail, one to the left, that's it. Okay. Calendars, compact. What's under compact?
Well,
I'm just looking for those folders. There's nothing that says inbox there, is there?
No, no.
I'm just wondering if we're looking at the right thing. No. Go back to Windows Live Mail again. Just, no, cancel that. You don't want to go into it. Just click away from it. That's right. Proof Sentinel. There's none of these are the folders that you've got, anything like your folders you've got.
No.
I'm just wondering if this is the Windows Live Mail. According to Gary, he said today that that's all there. But anyway. Okay, go back to Microsoft again and click on there. We've got Windows Live Mail, Windows Live Contacts, and also got Windows Live, and we've got Windows Mail. So try Windows Live, click on that one. See what's underneath that. Double click on that. Contacts, install services. No, that's not any of the folders that you talked about. Go back again. Okay, go back. Go to Window. Go back to Microsoft. Okay, so Internet Explorer. That's the only thing that had Windows Live Mail, and it definitely wasn't there, was it?
No. Otherwise, it would have had a folder marked business, wouldn't it? And
well, underneath it should have a folder marked business, unless the only thing I can think of is sometimes these email programs have a situation where what they do is they actually have the even though they say they've got folders, the folders are all stored inside a file somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Inside that Windows Live Mail folder, one of the other. So let's go back to Windows Live Mail again and double click on that one. That's it, yeah. And what has it got on the right hand? What's the biggest? What they've got backup?
What size was 2000? You see, there wasn't a lot. Hey?
It's got a whole lot of stuff on it, as if it's today's. They're all kilobytes. They're very small.
Yeah, when I had these things, if it was receipts and all that kind of stuff and didn't need it, I get rid of that, and I only keep on the current within the last 2 years, say.
Mm-hmm.
So there wouldn't necessarily be a lot in it at all.
Okay. Okay.
Look, there's Windows Live Mail down here. Is that what I was looking at? Text documents.
That's just a text document, and there's only 96 kilobytes, so there's nothing much in that. I don't think.
Well, there wasn't an awful lot.
That's just a file. It's not a folder.
Oh my God!
It's all right. Now, what's all this saying? Windows Live Mail. Log opened. Oh wait, on the 9th of the 8th, 2017. That was a few days ago.
That's right. I don't know what that's about. No, this happened before that.
Okay. You can close that tab, that window then. Okay. So I don't know where it's actually storing your mail.
What's this mail message store?
It's only 16 megabyte. You can try opening that, but that you can try and open it and see what happens. I don't think it'll work particularly well.
How do you want to open this file? Look for an app. Oh God.
Switch off that tick. Okay. We don't want to do that. See what says more apps. Click on more apps. The blue text there, and go down to. Better off. I'll do it Notepad. Yeah, we'll try Notepad and see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens.
Because it's being used by another process.
Being used by another user. That indicates that it's being used by your mail program.
Oh,
Okay. Just a matter of the mail program's not running in another tab, is it, on the bottom of the screen there? Windows Live Mails. You didn't shut that? Go down to that and stop it.
turn it right off?
You turn it right off.
No, then.
Okay, now try and open that mail
Try again?
message. Let's see what happens there. Once again, switch the tick off. More apps. Okay,
What?
and Notepad. Scroll down until you get the Notepad.
Yeah, the notepad's gone now. Oh, no, it's up the top.
Up the top. Okay.
Oh, dear me.
It looks like garbage,
What?
but just a matter of instance, grab it and scroll down and see if it says anything about any of the mess. Grab the scroll bar and scroll down. Scroll about halfway.
Oh.
And keep scrolling until you can find something you can read. Amended list of computer stores. Out of fairy tales. Is these any of the emails that you've set?
Out of fairy tale. Places that are right straight out of fairy tales. Around the world. Oh, no.
Nothing that you're familiar with?
No.
Scroll to the bottom.
All these numbers, Chalice 09 up just funny stuff. Alaska, Hawaii, Tasmania.
This is the raw Alaska Hotel Hawaii. You know, you've never done anything about the Alaska Hotel in Hawaii?
No.
There's probably just advertisements that have come up when you're using the mail program. So, okay, we'll close that. Doesn't look like it's anything to do with it. Close that.
Yep.
By the way, what date was that? 13th December, today's date. Okay.
Well, all that stuff, that gibberish. Oh, this one here, yeah. What was that about? Date modified, you see. So, I mean, that might be just what we did now.
It could have been. I can't remember what it was. All right.
No.
Okay. Windows Live, but that looks like the only Windows Live Mail thing. So I don't know where all those things are going. As I said, the only thing I can think of is just because you're using, as I said, the what's it called again?
IMAP.
Or IMAP. That's right. Because you're using that. All right. Do you want to go back and we'll see if we can fix up your close off these windows? I want to see if you can go back and
close off this.
Close them all off. Yeah, close them all off. Close those ones off, but don't close off this thing that we're in at the moment. The
right.
What's the name?
Oh. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, where are we now?
Okay, leave that one open. Okay. All right, up the top there. Go. I'll just show you where this is at the moment. Notice the blue writing at the top underneath settings. It's got general labels, inbox, etc. To the right of that, midway underneath the blue, what's the name? It's got forwarding and pop IMAP. Click on that. Okay. Now the only trouble is, I'm just going to have to explain this to you. This is, if you want to start using Gmail and have the emails from your Optus mail come into this, you're going to have to find out what the password is to your Optus mail. So you might have to ring up Optus and ask them to talk you through about how to do that, because you need to do something here and it will ask for a password to be able to get access into your the Gmail thing, to get access to your Optus mail. All right?
Yes. It's funny. I've used that one over the years. I look quite a bit, this thing, but it just won't accept it.
Okay. Well, you need to
start all over again.
Well, just another thing you say, it won't accept it. Somehow you're getting your email, so the email address is obviously in Windows Live Mail.
Yeah.
The password is in Windows Live Mail.
Yeah.
Except the trouble is you won't be able to see that, but you won't be able to know what it is. The only thing is it possible that someone's hacked into your account, changed your password, and that's why things are disappearing. I don't know. They've been watching you.
There's nobody.
Who knows?
There's nobody here. You see.
There's nobody what?
There's nobody here.
Yeah,
There's
no,
nobody,
I'm talking about someone remotely doing it via a computer system.
Oh, I see.
Okay, all right. Anyway, that's where you would add a forwarding address there. That's if you want to forward it. What happens if you want to?
Yeah, this is one of the questions I had. How do I get my email sent on to Gmail?
Yeah. Well, you need to do that at the Optus end, obviously, not at the Gmail end.
Yes.
All right.
That's right. Yes.
Okay. And
So
but that's what to be able to do that, you need access to you need the password to your Optus account.
Yeah, that's right. So I have to do that tomorrow
Right.
and get it changed to something.
Okay. All right. So in that respect, I can't show you any more than what we're doing here, and I still don't see why. I still can't see why these things have been disappearing. But anyway,
No.
Do you want to just try creating a new label in this one and manage labels down on the left-hand side there? Go back to where it says general.
Yeah, labels.
Left-hand side.
Click label.
Yeah, you can do that if you want to. Oh, we already did that before.
Yeah.
Okay. Go on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, underneath the big red compose, there's create new label right down the bottom. Go to that.
Yep.
Right down the bottom.
Ah, yes, that's
Click
right.
on that.
That's simple enough.
Yeah. Okay. So just give do a test one if you want to. Whatever you want to call it.
What should I call it? Optus emails.
Okay. You put a slash in between the O and the L.
Yeah,
O and the P.
Hang on. Optus emails, I'm going to call it. And
Okay.
it's a nest under label. I won't bother with that because I know what to do with that. I understand what to do with that.
Okay.
Nest label under, right? Then click create.
Yeah. So I don't know where it's going to put Optus. There is Optus Mails is underneath the inbox. All right.
That's right.
All right then. Okay. One thing I need to explain that there's difference between Gmail and all other mails, right? Is the fact that when you get something in Gmail, right, it does things in threads. So if you like before, you know how you're probably used to seeing, if you sent me I send you an email, then you reply to me, and then I reply back to you, and I reply back and forth 3 or 4 times. It shows as one email only.
Oh yeah, right? I know you mean.
You can. It shows as one email in your inbox. However, when you look at the mail, it'll have a number there saying how many have gone back and forth, and you can click on it. All right. So, for example, what is your email address, Rosemary? And I'll send you. What is that Gmail account? What was it called?
It's chrischalice0@gmail.com.
Hold on a second. Oh, right one. CHRISCHALLI. There's no spaces or anything?
No.
LLIS, is it?
LLIS 0.
0 at gmail.com. Okay. Okay. GMAIL.com. Okay. Subject. Just email. Okay.
I'll click on inbox. Shall I wait for it to come?
Yeah, you can if you want to. Okay. I'll just send it to Jeff. Okay. Send that. Sending the message. Okay. All done. Okay. So if you just click on the inbox, wait for a second, it should no new mail. It should appear in a second.
Can I get a shortcut to Gmail on my desktop?
Yes, you can do that. It's pretty easily done. I'll show you how to do that in a second.
All right.
Okay. I've sent it, so I would have thought you would have got it by now.
No, mine came through instantly, but and also, is it a way of getting the contacts from my first?
From Optus.
Yeah.
From the Optus.
Yeah,
if they're in, what's the name? We should be able to get the contacts out. we'll see how we go with that. Still hasn't come through. Why isn't it coming through?
I know.
Okay, up the top left-hand side, right above where it says the word Google, there's a circle under left of the house. There's a certain that one there. Click on that one. That refreshes the screen.
Oh yes, it's here.
Okay, took a while. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe that.
All right. So just to show you, if you click on that message, my name on the message or the test email, whatever. Okay. And if you want to reply, you can see there's a bit there to reply. Just click here to reply. So click on reply and just say type anything. Hello. Okay. Okay. Now just click on the send button. Okay. Okay. And you're sending. That's okay. All right. And you'll notice though in your inbox there on the left-hand side, it'll only if you go back to the inbox and click on that.
Yep. Got it.
Click there.
Yep.
Notice it's only got the one message, but it's got the in brackets 2 beside it. So if you open that again now,
I see.
That and you see the 2 messages. If you've got, there's 2, it'll show that. If you've got 3 or 4 or 5, right? What will happen is it'll just have a number in between them, and you just click on the number and it expands it out. Okay, that's supposed to be it.
Oh, because the other one is underneath it. The first one goes down to the bottom, and the next message comes on top.
Yeah, the next message. But this it only shows it as one message. That's the confusing part that people don't understand about Gmail. All right.
Right. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right. So where did that go? Go here. Did I get that one? I just go up the top. And if I reply again, retest email, okay, and I'll just reply again. But if you create a new message with a different subject, it'll do so. Okay, testing again. Okay. Right, send. From a different. I sent that other one from my phone. This one I'm sending from my computer. All right. Okay, sent successfully. Where are we? That one. Okay. If you just refresh your screen again, there, that refresh button.
Hang on. Inbox has got a 1. Shall I click on that?
That means it's already that's come in already.
Yeah, that's it.
So you can see now it's got 3 there.
Yes. Yes, I get that.
Okay, if you click on that, you'll see the 3 messages.
Yep.
And as I said, sometimes though, if you've got 20 or 30, they might list them all down the screen. You actually have to expand them out.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what I just want to explain. Okay. Well, that's enough for the Gmail at the moment. We still don't know why you're losing these other mails. If I was you, I'd be sending emails. Oh, well, you want to get the contacts into here. That's the next thing, is it? Yes, okay, so you can leave that open. Go. Just minimise that screen and start your live mail down at the bottom there.
Yeah, I've got to, hang on. Open up live mail. Yep.
Okay, just watching how this starts. Okay. All right. Okay, so where's your contacts in this?
Down there, down the bottom.
Where do you have it? Okay. Okay, click on that to open it.
Yep.
Okay, all right. Okay, up the top there, it's got new. So click on the down thing for new and see if it's got, no, I don't think it'll have it there, no. Edit or delete. Edit, no. Summary. There should be somewhere it says export. No, you've gone to the screen above it.
Yeah, I know what I've done wrong. Yeah, that's file. Exports there.
Okay.
Export messages or accounts.
Okay, so go down to export.
Yeah, yeah.
On import, go to export. You have to be on export.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
And go to messages or accounts. No, you're in. No, you've jumped out of this, and you're in the email. We need to be back into messages again, calendar again. You're on the left hand. Go down to calendar, down the bottom. Not calendar, contacts.
Contacts. Yep.
Sorry.
Contact. Now
under file on that,
there's
you've
export.
got export. Okay. Now, comma separated values. Click on the one that says comma separated values.
Yeah.
Okay. Save export file as. Just call it, my contacts or my whatever. Some name. Think of something. Okay.
My contact.
And click on browse because I want to make sure we know where we're going to save it.
Yeah.
Okay. So where we going to put it? Put it on in documents. You're in documents. Okay, that'll do. My contacts documents. Okay, that'll do. Okay, comma separated file. You're already on documents on the left hand side. On the left hand side, it says document. Okay, you got my contacts. Just click on save. Down the bottom, you have to click on save.
Yeah, righto.
Okay. Okay. Save export file as contacts. Okay, click on next. Okay. Do you want the first name, last name, middle name, nickname? I don't know if you need it.
Last name, I think.
Might as well click all of them. Click on all of them. First name, last name, middle name. Okay.
Yeah.
Click on finish. Just scroll down the bottom. We'll see if we've got anything else that needs to be checked before you click on finish. I don't think you worry about fax numbers and all that sort of thing, do you?
No. Not mobiles, not nothing.
If you don't want all those, the ones that you don't want, you can just tick off if you like, because they're just irrelevant.
Yeah.
You only want the first name, last name, and possibly the email address. That's all you want. You don't want all the other crap.
No, I don't.
Okay. Get rid of all those other ticks then.
Well, I don't want home state. I don't.
You haven't got those things anyway, so it's useless.
No, I don't. It's just.
Wouldn't worry about the state or home region. You haven't got that anyway.
Yeah,
now you got name, nickname, and email address. That's the main thing you want. Okay.
Yes, it is.
In fact, if you scroll up the top, I don't think we need the first name, middle name, and last name either. All right. First name, last name, middle name. As long as you got the name, email,
and what I want the email address.
You may need the nickname. Leave the nickname in. Chris, put nickname back in.
Oh, there it is.
And take the first and last name out. You won't need first name and last name. You don't need that. The first two.
I might need.
You won't need that.
Well,
if you want to leave it in, you can.
Yeah, I would.
Okay. Click on finish. Okay, click on finish.
Finish.
Okay. Export in progress. Take a little while. Won't take long. Okay, that's it. Okay, finished. All right, now you can close this screen. Close all this. Close everything except the. Don't close Google Chrome because we need that still going. Okay. Okay. Go to where it says test email there. Tab.
Oh, where was that?
No, test email. It's up. It's in the middle at the top on one of the tabs at the top there. There we are. All right, no problems. Okay. Now, how do we do this? I think it's under settings, which is a little cog over on the right-hand side. Right side there. Come down there. Yeah, click on that. No, is it that? Hold on. I'm not sure if it's there or if it's under more there. Try settings. Go down to settings.
I don't set it. Yeah.
Under settings. No, I meant after you clicked on that cog, the down arrow cog on the right-hand side, it's got a settings underneath that. Click there. That's right. Now go down to the third last one that says settings.
Oh, yep, there.
Okay. Loading. Okay. Now, where do we do the import-export? I haven't done this for a long while, so I can't remember. Change language, develop code, images, undo, send. Okay. Labels, inbox, accounts and imports. There it is. The third one across after general. We're on the general one. Go to accounts and imports. Underneath settings, accounts and imports. Up higher. Up higher. No, up. That's right.
Oh, dear,
third
I'm
one
sorry.
across.
Yeah.
That's all right. Not a problem. Okay. Import mail and contacts. Okay. Now click on where it says import mail and contacts. No, not learn more, to the right. To the right of that, to the right of that, to the right of that. No. There, where, no.
There.
Close all that one. Close that help thing. Close that screen. You don't need that. Where it says learn more, over to the right from that, to the right of that, import mail contact. That where it says import mail contacts in blue.
Click.
Click on that. Yep. Okay. Okay. What account do you want to import from? Okay. No, we don't want to import from that. For example, nail. I don't think this is going to work because that's not the way we want to import. You can try putting in your old email address, but I think it's going to ask for a password. Well, have a go. Go on.
Yeah. My old email address.
Your Optus one. This isn't the way I wanted to import it, but we'll have a go at it. Click on continue.
Did we put it in documents?
Okay, that's okay. And it's going to asking for the password. So that's what you don't know. So when you do get your password, this is how you will do it. But anyway, close that off. I can still import the another way. So close that screen off.
Didn't we transfer?
All right, so, not started. Pro. Import from another. Okay, send mail as check mail. Where do we import it a different way? Accounts and import. You just want to hold on for a second. I'll check mine. Oh no, I'll keep looking. Hold on, I'll keep looking. Forms, manage labels, create new labels, send them a less capture. General labels, inbox. Filters and blocked addresses. Forwarding and pop email, chat labs, offline themes. There's a way of importing it from a file. I know I've done it before. Just trying to.
Not documents.
No, where are you saying documents? Where's that?
Well, didn't we export it to documents?
We exported to documents, yeah, but I've got to find out where the part is to import it. Accounts and import. Click on accounts and import. We're still in accounts and import. Import mail and contents. Learn more. We're already send mail as check mail, grant mail. Hold on. Is there more further down? Can we? No.
No.
Currently using Zoo. By the way, no, you're using zero of 15 gigabyte. So you've got plenty of space. Using Gmail for work, grant access to your account. Can you just hold on a sec while I just check my one?
Yeah.
And I'll see what it is. And because I just have to find out where it is. I'm just going to Gmail on mine and see where it is. Because I know I've done it and it's sort of hidden somewhere. That way of importing it is importing it from a system you already use.
Yeah.
All right. But you can export it out of a computer and import it. And we've already exported the contacts, so we should be able to import them into here. So I'm just waiting for this to load up, my one. Come on. Okay. So, is it under, I'm not sure, Gmail? It might be under that one. Contacts. There's a different way of doing it. Hold on. Gmail contacts. Okay. It's one of the free contracts. Just hold on a second. I'm
Yeah.
Settings. No. That whole version. That's not what I wanted. Labels. Check that. Create label. More. There it is. No, that's not it. Cancel. I think I might have a different. No, you should have the latest version because you've only just started using Gmail, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'll have to try it a different way. It's like all things. You do things a long time ago and you don't remember how to do it.
I know that. Yeah.
I'll just check differently. Importing. What is it? CSV into Gmail. Into Gmail. Okay.
Here it says import mail and contacts. Is that anything?
That's only importing.
Yeah.
Create a custom email address book from other webmail. Sign into Gmail. Click Gmail at the top left corner of your Gmail page, then choose contacts. Click the more button above the contacts list and select import. Is that where it is? We'll just try with your one. Okay.
Right. What do we do?
There was something. So where it's got Gmail, it's got compose, right?
Yeah.
And it's got, above that, it's got Gmail with a downward pointing arrow. Go up to that and click on that.
Yeah.
Okay, go down to contacts.
Yep.
And click on that. Okay. Now we'll just wait till that loads. Now what does it say to do next? See where it's got more? That tab that's on the left-hand side's got more. Click on that. See it's got import. Click on that. I'm getting somewhere. Okay. Right, import contacts. And notice it's got the last one is CSV or V card file. Click on that one.
Yeah. Click
that. Okay. Go to the old problem. This preview of Google doesn't support importing from a contact file yet. To import the contacts file now, go to the old Google contacts from the more menu. Click on go to the old version. Well, okay.
Loading.
Okay. Okay.
Countries.
Okay. So where we got most contact, other contacts, new contacts. Where's the more? There's no more now. Okay. Under your country code number. Okay. New version. Import contacts. Second from the bottom.
Yeah.
Just appeared.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Choose file. Click on where it says choose file. Okay. Now you need to go to documents. Yeah. And what did we call it? Contacts, didn't we?
I suppose, yeah, so we did.
Someone over there, there's one called contacts. You have to scroll down, Chris. It's further down the list.
Yeah.
You only got Christmas letter. CO. Hold on. We definitely put, we got it in alphabetical. Didn't we call it contacts?
Yeah,
What did we call it?
yeah.
You called it my contacts. It's under M. Sorry. Go down to M. Sorry.
There it is.
Where is it? I'm just looking. Yeah, click on that.
Open.
Open. Yep. Okay. Click on import.
Yep.
Import button.
There they all are.
Done.
Yippee-yay-yay.
Too easy. Too easy, eh?
Oh.
All right. Just to show you how to, these contacts have been imported but not yet merged. Okay. Finding duplicates, learn more. Oh, it's up to you. You can have a look at that later on, Chris, if you want to. Okay, go back to where it says Google at the top there.
It says these contacts, but not yet merged. Does that mean they're not on there yet?
No, they're there. I think so. Well, duplicates, learn more. I don't know. I don't know what that means. I think it'll work all right anyway. All right. Okay. Okay. So if you click on.
Not yet merged.
Yeah.
Shall I
Well, you can try find and merge duplicates, or you can click on learn more and decide what you want to do.
I'm a bit worried about closing it down yet. I could always minimize it. You know what I mean? Couldn't I? Put it down the bottom.
I'm sorry, your voice is breaking up and I can't hear you. What are you saying?
I could always put it to one side, couldn't I? And then make sure.
You can always come back to this later on. Yeah. Okay. If you just click on up the top where it says Google.
Yes.
Yeah, click on that. I think it'll take you back to the email. You're back to Google Contacts. Okay, click on the, and notice you've got a whole lot of them there anyway. Looks like they're all there.
That's right.
All right. So
Yeah.
I don't think you need to merge them or anything. Merging them just means merging them with other things. You've even got yourself there. Right? Okay, so go up to the top, go up to where it, to the left of where it says Google Contacts. Click on that, the main menu. Oh, hold on. It's already there. I'm trying to get you back to the thing. You can just close the contacts now if you want to. Up the top, there's a tab for contacts. The second last tab. The second one from the end.
Oh, yeah.
Contacts. Just close that. Yeah. So now, if you click, on that, that's all right. That's all been done. Okay. Go to where you've got your mail, the M with the settings for mail. Up there. The tab at the top there, that's it, click there. Okay. Click, that looks all okay. Now click on Compose. You can click on your inbox if you want to, or click on Compose. Just try start typing. Just see if you can start typing someone's name and see if it comes up. Someone that's in your contact list, like me. Oh, you've already done it one to me. Oh, there we are. They come up. Yeah, look, they're coming up. That's not a problem. Okay. All right. So to do that. Anything else you need to know?
Yeah. Where do I find contacts down the side here?
No. If you want to go to contacts, where it says up above Compose there, it's got Gmail. Click on that.
Yeah.
And the contacts are there. The second one down. They always open another tab. And the other thing is, you don't really need to go to all you do is start typing it and start puts in the contact you've got anyway, as a general rule. Okay.
Yeah. No.
So all your contacts are there anyway. Well, the only thing.
Shortcut on the desktop.
Oh yeah, to put it on the desktop. Okay. What you need to do, I'd suggest we come out of it so we go straight into it to the first thing. So close Gmail. This tab off again. We'll close it. No, not that window. No, not that. Okay. All right. Chris, I hope will come back in a second. Once she finds that email to get back in. It does, we'll soon find out. I'll send her another email. Okay. Get back into the hangout. I don't want that one. Don't want that. Over it 3 or 4 times, Jeffrey. Ah, you there? Hello? Is that you, Chris? Oh, that's me. Rosemary, you're back in. Hello? You're muted. Your microphone's muted. Rosemary, if you want to click on the microphone. Okay. Your microphone is muted. You need to click on the microphone. How do I say that? That's it. There you go. That's better. You had your microphone muted. Sorry, you clicked on the wrong thing and came all the way out. Okay. You need to make sure you never click off the window that you've actually got the hangout in. Otherwise, you jump yourself out of it. Okay. All right. Not a problem. Okay. Okay.
It's just
what we want to do is
now.
put it on the desktop. Okay. So you need to go into Gmail so we get the address of the Gmail that you want to click into. All right. Okay. So just type in Gmail. Okay. Now once it's in there, right, go to the. I'll make this bigger. Okay. All right. Go to the address bar at the top of your screen. On your screen, where is it?
The address bar up there.
Oh, there we are. Yeah, and copy all that. Copy all that.
Oh, blimey. H.
If you press Control A, that'll highlight it all. That's it. That bit there. Yeah. Click on that. No, you've right-clicked on it. You've clicked on the left part of it. You need to click on the right part of that. Click there. Anywhere in that box. That box. Click there. Okay, that's it. Now right-click on it. Right-click on it and select Copy. Right-click and copy. Okay. Now close.
Yep,
Don't.
got that.
That's just that one. That's all right. So all right, you're in a Google Hangout. Okay. Just minimise this screen. Don't close it. Just minimise it.
I got it minimised, yeah.
No, it's not minimised. It's you got to minimise it. It'll go down to the thing when you click it. Nah. That's restore down. Minimise that one to the left. The little dash one. The one that's got a dash there. Minimise that. Anyway, you just need to go to the desktop. Can you go back to the desktop?
Yeah, my own desktop.
Yeah, your own desktop.
Yeah, got that.
No, there's still stuff on the screen. You're going to have to minimise those other windows. You can see the desktop behind it. Minimise that one. Minimise that one. Okay. Minimise that one. Okay. Put it wherever you want it. Where you're going to put it. Put the mouse where you want it.
There.
Okay. Right click.
Yep.
Right click.
Yeah.
Say new. New.
Yeah. Left click new.
Yep. Shortcut.
Yep.
Okay, it'll come up in a second. Just put the pointer in the middle of that blue box and right click and paste. Right click.
Oh, yep. Paste.
And paste. That's it. Click on next. Next.
Yep.
Change the name to Gmail. You don't want to call it New Shortcut. You want to call it Gmail. Okay, and click on finish. And should appear there. Where is it? There it is. It's got a little icon. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you click on that now, that should take you into Gmail.
Just thinking about it.
There we are. Straight in.
Yeah.
Good. And you've got a second one open because you've got 2 tabs now. All right. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So if you close this down completely, it's still on your desktop. You can change. There's a way of changing the icon on that. If you wanted a different icon, that's like a letter or something like that, you can do that sort of thing. Okay. All right. So you've got your Gmail running. The only thing what you're going to have to do, I suggest probably tomorrow now, ring up Optus. Say this is my Optus email address. Right. How do I seem to have lost my password. What's my password? How do I find out my password? They probably want to know, your mother's maiden name and all that sort of stuff to find out.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Thanks, Jeff.
Okay. All right, then. I'll just stop the recording. All right. And we can say goodbye. All right.
Yeah.
Do you want to stop screen sharing?